Did you know that relocating to Baltimore could save you hundreds of thousands of dollars in luxury home costs compared to cities like DC or New York City without compromising on lifestyle, waterfront views, or prestige? Let me show how you can do it the right way. Luxury homes in Baltimore average $350 per square foot versus New York City's $1,500 per square foot. In this video, I'm walking you through the ultimate luxury buyer's guide for relocating to Baltimore in 2025. From hidden neighborhood gems, market trends, to buyer mistakes to avoid that could cost you serious money. Whether you're coming from across the country or across the globe, I've got insider tips to help you land the home of your dreams while making a wise investment. By the way, my name is Inyang, luxury Baltimore realtor with eXp Realty. And if you'd like to know anything else about buying, selling, investing, or relocating to Baltimore, feel free to check the description below. You can book a call with me, text me, email me, whatever's convenient for you. I would love to have a private conversation with you about how I can help you with your next move. Baltimore's luxury real estate is underrated, and that's good news for you. The average luxury home in Roland Park, Guilford, or Federal Hill goes for about $900,000 to $1.5 million, compared to DC, where you pay double for less space and more traffic. And if you're looking for waterfront luxury, neighborhoods like Canton and Fells Point offer exclusive homes with rooftop decks and harbor views without the DC price tag. In Maryland, buyers typically pay about 2% to 4% of the purchase price in closing costs. But here's where it gets juicy. If you're relocating, you can often negotiate seller concessions, especially in high-end properties where sellers are motivated. Also, Maryland transfer and recordation taxes split 50-50 between the buyer and seller, unlike some states where buyers eat the whole thing. Now, I know moving from another city or even another country can feel overwhelming. When I came to the US as a child, we didn't even speak English yet. And I watched my parents work their way from renters to homeowners through sheer faith, education, and determination. That's why I'm so passionate about helping relocating buyers feel at home, because I've lived that experience. And I know how much it means to get it right, especially when luxury is your standard. All right, here's what most luxury buyers don't know. Baltimore has up-and-coming luxury enclaves like Locust Point and Brewers Hill, where you can get custom new builds, top-tier finishes, and even tax credits for historic renovations. Talk about luxury with an upside potential. Now, don't leave your dream home or your money to chance. Download my free guide, Luxury Home Buyer's Guide, exclusive guide to buying luxury homes in Baltimore. It's packed with neighborhood breakdowns, financing tips, and must-know resources to help you relocate with confidence. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching. If you got value from this video, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a tip. Stay blessed, stay informed, and I'll see you next